Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DENT token. DENT token is still struggling to re-enter this down channel, and by the way, it has also broken out a very significant resistance of $0.001 as well. And in today's analysis, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this previous trade setup of DENT that I shared with my members at the Patreon when DENT completed a harmonic bullish reversal setup. And I shared this move on 17th of July. And this was the chart, by the way, when DENT token completed a harmonic butterfly move on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, this was with Bitcoin pair, and you can see our sell targets were from 417 to 442, and our buying zone was from 407 to 394. And at that time it was moving at 405, and after playing this chart, you can see that the price line moved very well, and this move was up to 533. That was more than 31% pump, and it is still moving here. And if we take a look at the live daily weekly time frame chart with US dollar pair, by the way, this was with Bitcoin pair, and now we are watching with the US dollar pair, then you can see with this move, DENT has also broken out this $0.001 resistance as well. And previously we were moving below this resistance for the past several weeks. This $0.001 was working as a resistance here, and previously it was working as a support here, and also at the support on this as a support on this candlestick as well. But even after breaking out this resistance, we also need to break out this down trend line resistance that was the previous support of the channel. And you can see that we have a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and by the way, here we went very close to the support but did not touch this support, and we had another bounce. And after breaking down this support, it moved up, confirmed this breakdown by retesting the previous support as a resistance, again moved down, and recently we have another rejection here on this week that was started on 18th of July. And at the same time, for the past several weeks, you can see that price line is also testing this key support that we have at $0.000820, and it is not breaking it down. And it is also possible that now we are going to form a double bottom here, and then we will break out this resistance of the channel. And after breaking out this resistance of the channel, we may also break out the resistance, the support of the channel. We may break out the resistance of the channel, because this is in fact a support of the channel that is now breaking as a resistance. And if we take a look at the stochastic here on the weekly time frame, then we can see that there is also a bullish divergence flash, like price line formed this low, and the next low is lower than previous low. This low we have here, and the next low we have here. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then stochastic on this weekly time frame chart, you can see it is getting exhausted, and it is forming higher low than previous low. It is not forming lower than previous low. Therefore, there is also a bullish divergence flashed just below the price line. It formed this low here, and the higher low formed below this low of the price line that was formed by the price line lower than previous low, and by stochastic it is higher low than previous low. Therefore, we can expect that soon it can break out this resistance of the down channel, the support of the down channel that is now breaking at the resistance. On the smaller time frame, in my previous video we saw that we broke out this descending triangle, and we had a nice pump. And this time, if I show you some higher lows, let me just show you on the 4-hour time frame chart, then we can see that we have a few higher lows here, like we have a low here, a higher low, another higher low, another higher low, and we also have lower highs as well. And if I connect all these higher lows and this lower high, these lower highs, then we can see that it formed a symmetrical triangle here, and recently we have broken down this symmetrical triangle on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now if I show you the target to the downside after this breakdown, then we can expect a move here that will be approximately at $0.0009. But before this, we also have a very strong support that I'm telling you that can work as a key support at $0.001 above $0.0009. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to break down this level of $0.001. For example, if we are going to hit the target for this triangle, it is possible that we may have a spike up to this level, but I don't think so that we are going to break down this level of $0.0010, because we have a very big bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. And this support in itself is a very, very strong support. You can see previously on the weekly time frame, it was breaking as a support here, and it was breaking as a support here as well as a resistance. Therefore, it can be now breaking as a strong resistance for DENT token. So next few hours or days can be very important for DENT, because we are above a very strong support and we are about to break a very strong resistance as well, even though we have broken down this triangle. But I am expecting that soon we can break out this downtrend line resistance and re-enter this channel for the bigger move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.